show we're charging on the gauge, but we are not making it back to the battery. Alright, I don't have two hands to show you, but we've got voltage there, but not there. Well, we've got 12 volts there, we've got 13 here. So that's our wire that originally looped through to the voltmeter. We got an issue with that wire. And instead of trying to figure that out, I think we're going to continue this another day. What we're going to do though is we're going to take that lead from the alternator, and then we're going to hook it up down here at this solenoid that comes from the battery. We will loop up the power, probably on the good side that we know that's good, to power everything inside. I think that's our best option. But we don't need it running for that, and I'm not going to do it today. What I'll probably do is go get the trickle charger, throw these batteries on the trickle charger, and get them topped off. Okay, so here we go. Here's what we know. We know that we have this right here is hot, or this right here is charging. We've got alternator voltage here, battery voltage here. Now, originally what happened is this went in and then it looped through the amp meter and came back out to the battery. Now, the amp meter in this did not work. Now, what I did is I replaced it. Well, I assumed it did not work. What it probably turns out to be is that there is a bad connection, probably on the other side of the firewall on this slug here. What I did is when I replaced the amp meter to the voltmeter, I just connected the wires together, which should have looped this through, but it doesn't. So like I said, that means there's some kind of disconnect between here and here. You know, this should loop through the cab and back. But what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate this wire here. We don't care about it. We don't need it. What would be better, instead of looping through the cab to charge, is that if we just power the accessories in the cab from this wire. Now, what we're going to do that is we are going to replace this wire. This wire will run to here, to this solenoid, which is a hot side that goes to the battery, and then this wire, which already connects to that solenoid, will come over to here and power our accessory stuff. So easy change. We'll have to see what kind of fitting is on here. We may have to, we're gonna have to swap the fitting on this wire, but easy change that will make this better. And then we'll go in the cab and just disconnect this wire here. There's no sense in even trying to fix this the way that it originally was, because we're not running an amp meter, we're running a volt gauge, so we don't need to loop. Like I said, we don't need to loop through the cab. So all we need is to power accessories, which we'll do off of this lead here. But this wire, flip this one over to here, and this one's going to come down to here. Better. It'll be set up, to me it'll be, since we're not running an amp meter, it'll be set up better than it was. So this is our one that runs down. If we look at it, it comes up and goes to this lug here. I'm not sure, I'm guessing this runs the starter solenoid, but this is our positive lead here. The other lead probably goes down to the starter itself, is my guess. The other one down here. This is probably straight from the battery. well, maybe not straight from the battery, but somewhere on the battery. Maybe to the starter. And then this one down here is to the solenoid, and this one right here is this wire. So this one's going to go here, and this one's going to go there. This is from the alternator here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a 1/2-inch wrench for down there, and then something to get this off. It's still a little hot, so we're going to try to get this in there. It'll just stay on there. If I can. Yeah, it's not that hot. There we go. Don't drop the nut, don't drop the nut. Keep this out of the way. Sorry, you can't see much. All I'm doing is tightening the nut down on this relay. Solenoid, not relay. It's tight. And we put this wire over here. And that will power our accessories in the cab. Tighten this down. Not too tight, this will strip out easy. Tight enough. And then on this other side, we're not using yet, we'll just tighten this back down. Just like it is. Alright, and there's our fix. It should do really well like that. We'll go test it out. Alright, so I had this little charger on this battery. I've got it disconnected. It did not finish charging on this one. This battery is sitting at 12.63. This one did charge. I'm trying to get y'all where you can see. No. Let's take my word for it. 12.78. so let's hook these up and come over here. That goes there. That goes there. At some point, I guess I need to test the battery charger that's built into the truck, but that is not something we're going to do right now. There are 2 batteries hooked up. I'm going to leave my charger over here. We know we should be in the 12.6 range if it's not charging, and if it is, then we should match kind of what the gauge inside shows. Let's go crank it up. It should start really well. It was running yesterday, and at least one battery is charged up. Well, we got power inside, that's good. Our gauge is up. It was sitting right at 12. And it cranks immediately. I don't even know if it didn't even make a full revolution. Alright, we're sitting just above 12. Now it shows we're charging. Let's go see. Let's see if we can do this. .09, we are charging. So our fix worked. We can cross that off the list of things that need to be done. I'm gonna let it run for a minute, let this other battery charge up some since it didn't get fully charged with the trickle charger, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.